channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know I didn't put out a video last week and I didn't do the YouTube video Cash App game that I normally do, but you know, it's been a heavy week for the Black community, for everyone really, but specifically the Black community over the last 2 weeks. And I have just been focusing on advocating for the Black community, sharing information, donating to important groups that are advocating for the Black community. And I've also taken a mental health break. As you can imagine, exposing yourself for a week straight to the murdering of Black men, women, trans men and women, constantly by the police, and seeing all the protests, it's just very traumatizing and triggering. So I decided to take the week to kind of preserve my mental health. And on that note, I wanted to do something that was a happy moment for me last week. I got my box of brand new ceramic pots and I wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I've never done anything like that before, but I thought it would be fun and a nice break in all the heaviness of last week. So jump right into opening it. I'm excited. I've been waiting on these pots for so long, and the last time I bought pots, it was actually gifted to me when I moved into my house as a housewarming gift by my dad and my stepmom. Thank you guys. But that was a while ago, so it's time to upgrade, and I decided to get me some ceramic pots. And if y'all remember one of my videos, the jerk video, I think it was, one of the videos, I'll show a little screenshot of what I'm talking about. But when I watched the video back, I was just like, I need some new pots. This is ridiculous. Anyways, okay. The covers. I'm so excited. I wanted to kind of sit down so y'all can see me better, but I'm so excited. Cookware set. I could put the link if y'all are interested. I could put it in the description. You know, I like to point down the description box below. Trying to get organized. If anyone who knows me knows that I do not like clutter. I don't like mess. I don't like papers and stuff. User guide. Free product. I love some free stuff, y'all. It says to celebrate and thank you, we want to send you a free product that will perfectly complement your purchase. So I either get a milk frother, a power bank, a food scale. So maybe that could be the question that I ask you guys in the comments. I don't know, I'll think about it. Also, if you guys notice, I have a new intro. Well, not a new one. I made one for non-cooking videos because I don't know. It also helped me to shift my focus this week. Baby frying pan. So I made a new intro video. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts and comments about it. I should have probably set up another table to put all the pots. This is a little egg fryer. So cute. Look how little it is. Super cute. I like it so much. Another frying pan. I think this is a, how many? It comes with a 16 centimeter saucepan, 20 centimeter saucepan, 24 centimeter deep casserole with a steamer, frying pan, another frying pan with a lid, a saute pan with a lid helper. What's a lid helper? And then the little baby egg pan I just told you guys. So we're almost at the end. Do any of you guys ever feel like when you have like big boxes, you want to keep them just in case? I feel like I have a ton of big boxes in my basement. when I would need them or why, but I like to keep them just in case. But I think I'm gonna throw this one out because I don't. So here are all the pots and pans. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So 2 things. Please let me know in the comment box below what you liked about this video the most, and if you tell me what you think about the new intro. And I made a new ending video. You're about to see it a little bit after this. And what I should get as my free thing, either the milk frother, the power bar, like what you use to like charge your phone, or the food scale. And last thing, please give me some more suggestions for what I should call my new subscribers. I came up with Ray-Bans, like RAE bands, but I don't I don't know if I like how that sounds, so give me some more suggestions. So 3 things. I'll pin the comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment and like this video. Thank you guys. Bye.